Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up DHCP in Windows 11. Setting up DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol in Windows 11 automates your network settings, allowing your router or network server to instantly assign your PC an IP address, subnet mask, and DNS. This eliminates tedious manual entry, prevents connection errors, and simplifies managing your home or office network. If your PC network address is set to static and you want to change to DHCP, here's how to do it. First method, using the settings menu. Press the Windows key plus I to open the settings menu. Click Network and Internet on the left sidebar. Select either Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on your connection. Scroll down and look for the IP assignment, then click the Edit button on the right side. Under Edit IP Settings, select Automatic DHCP from the drop-down menu and click Save. Method 2, using the Control Panel. On the search box, type Control Panel. Click on the Network and Sharing Center button. Then click on Change Adapter Settings to open network connections. Or you can just press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Then type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. On Network Connections, right-click on your active network adapter, example Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 in the list. Select both Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK to apply and save your changes. This covers how to set up DHCP in Windows 11. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.